In this video, we're diving into 2026's top 5 cordless leaf blowers that truly stand out. We'll look at performance, durability, and value for money. Find product links in the description and top comment. Let's begin with our first featured product and work our way through these amazing choices. Our first product is the leaf blower cordless with battery and charger. It's perfect for those who need a lightweight yet powerful tool for lawn care. This model features 2 speed modes and comes with 2 20-volt batteries, offering flexibility and extended use. Designed to be user-friendly, its lightweight build makes it comfortable for prolonged use without fatigue. It's ideal for small to medium-sized gardens, making it a versatile option for homeowners. The blower's performance is impressive for its price range, delivering solid value for money. In summary, this leaf blower is a smart choice for anyone seeking efficiency and affordability in one package. Next, we have the Bullseye blower, a handheld turbojet known for its powerful 350-watt electric air power. This model is equipped with 2 20-volt batteries, ensuring you can tackle larger tasks without interruptions. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, even during extended cleaning sessions. Perfect for patios, garage cleaning, and even car drying, it offers versatility beyond simple leaf blowing. This blower stands out with its robust performance, making it suitable for both home and professional use. With its as-seen-on-TV reputation, it delivers on expectations, proving its worth in every use. Our third product is the 700 CFM leaf blower, compatible with DeWalt 20-volt max battery. Featuring a powerful 200 mega/hour airflow, it's designed for heavy-duty tasks like yard debris and winter snow. The 2-speed sliding switch offers control over the airflow, adapting to various needs. Its copper motor ensures durability and reliable performance over time, making it a long-term investment. This blower is perfect for those who need a robust tool for larger properties or frequent use. Overall, it offers impressive power and versatility, living up to its heavy-duty label. Fourth on our list is the Leish Life cordless leaf blower, a lightweight and efficient choice for everyday tasks. With a 21-volt battery and charger included, it provides ample power for all your lawn care needs. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, ideal for those with limited space. This blower excels in versatility, handling everything from sidewalks to snow blowing effortlessly. It's a great option for users who prioritize convenience and ease of use without compromising performance. In conclusion, this model offers excellent value, especially for those on a budget. Finally, we have the cordless leaf blower with 3 nozzles and stepless speed control. This model is designed for precision, allowing you to adapt the speed to the task at hand. Its battery level indicator ensures you're never caught off guard by a low battery during use. Ideal for patio cleaning and dust removal, it's a versatile tool for maintaining outdoor spaces. Despite its premium features, it's priced competitively, making it an attractive option for many. In summary, this leaf blower is a must-have for those seeking a blend of functionality and affordability.